Okay, y'all, so today, good morning, how are you doing? Today is day 2 of me in the garden trying to bring it back to life. So today I'm going to be staining the raised beds. You want to make sure I don't have my mic for this phone because I don't have the adapter piece. And the other phone I'm recording my vlog on, it kind of ran out of battery. So this is what I'm using. We're gonna get out into this garden. My neighbor's dog's already barking. This might have actually been a total mistake in wearing this hair today because it's hot. Okay, I already feel myself sweating underneath this thing. So let's get to it. I haven't fed the chickens yet, so they might be a little bit loud because I haven't fed them yet. I was supposed to get out here earlier and start this, but today is actually a vlog day for me. So I'm having to do 2 things because I have 2 channels. Well, I have 3 channels, but we're gonna start at this bed here. And I don't have my gloves on. It's goopy, and I don't have my tray. Stain I was going for, but it is coming out like a terracotta, which is somewhat what I wanted it to look like, a terracotta.
Don't give up on me. 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 Taking my time, but I always seem to let you down. How can I show you I'm worthwhile? Wake up at night.
So I think before I do any of the other ones, I gotta see if this is gonna grow, because I'm not really liking it. I'm gonna paint this side here, and then I'm gonna just let it sit for a day and see if I like it or not. I'm not sure if I do.
I know it's much to ask, but I'll walk every track, baby, to give you what you need. So don't give up, don't.
Okay, y'all, so after I got off with y'all, I said, well, let me just finish up at least touching the top part. But as I'm standing here and looking at it, and it's starting to dry now, it don't look that bad. Let me open up the gate so you can see. So again, let me know what you think. But it's starting to not look that bad. If you compare this one and that one. But it would take, for how many beds that can did this one bed. So that would mean 2 more cans. These cans are $23. I just don't know if that is enough for me to put my money into doing all of these beds, especially when I would love to replace them with some Vigo garden beds or something. But it's starting to grow on me. I don't know. But that just may be the only bed that I do, because I don't have the strength or the time or patience to do all of these beds. It was a great idea, but if I'm doing this alone, I don't think I can do it. So I am in Walmart. Looky. Let's see what kind of seeds they got, because I just ordered some seeds, but I want some flower seeds to plant as well.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young.
Bone meal, blood meal, kelp meal, $12.99, $9.97, $9.97. Soybean seeds, dairy veg seeds, crimson clover seeds, alfalfa meal, more bone meal over here. What's this? Earthworm casting. Just bought some of that. They got vermiculite in the Walmart, y'all. If you're short on vermiculite, this is a pretty big bag for $7. Perlite bag in the Walmart is $6.97. They have these seed starting mix blocks here. And something called Sunshine Black Bear Growing Mix. And charcoal. Have more seeds over here.
Shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you.